Guys, today I have an unboxing and a review because I am replacing my travel car seat. So let's open it up and I will explain. This is the travel bag. We recently took the WAYB to Disney World. It's one of the reasons that we got it back in August. So long story short, my husband got a new car. My daughter loved his new car. We never took his old car. And she wanted to be in it all the time this summer on the weekend. So we're like, you know what? Let's get a car seat slash travel car seat for his car, and that we can use because we're huge Disney fans. And I knew that they were stopping Magical Express. It would just be easy to Uber. And then in June, we went on a vacation slash wedding in Daytona Beach, and we did not rent a car. We Ubered, and then we're like, it would have been really nice to have a car seat because my sister lived there and she had a car seat for my daughter. We used that, but it was kind of bulky. Oh, hi! Your new travel buddy has arrived. Cute. And it says, Meet Pico. Check the pocket, flip and lock it, raise the rest, tether is best, latch it right, adjust it tight. That's so cute. I don't think I saw that. My husband opened it up last time and just like put it in his car. Typical man. So my husband was not on our last Disney trip. It was with my sister-in-law and my 3-year-old daughter. And I looked for lightweight travel car seats for her. She, I don't know, like 30 pounds. She was 3 years old at the time. And there weren't many options except for this one. There were a lot of light travel car seats for older and bigger kids. So if you, I think it's, you know what, I'll put it on the screen, but it's, so there's a range for weight. I think it's up to 50 pounds. And then also for height. And this, it's expensive, but I cannot say enough great things about this. It is 8 pounds, guys. 8 pounds and teeny, teeny, tiny. I mean, look at it. Amazing. How cute is this thing? Okay, is this thing used? I think this is used. I don't know, this might be used. The first and foremost why I love this is how light it was. I could carry a backpack and this and push a stroller and pull a luggage through the airport on our last trip. It was so easy to put in the Uber. You just do these little buckle things, clip them on. Every car has those hooks now. And then you tighten it up right here and boom, bada bang. And there you go. You have a travel 8-pound car seat. Just such a huge fan. And before with Magical Express at Disney, you take a bus and there would be other stops, so it would be like over an hour sometimes till we would actually get to our resort. We stayed at the Dolphin Resort in the Epcot area, and it was, I think it was like 33 minutes, and it was a little bit cheaper for 2 adults and 1 child to Uber. I don't think I have any cons on this car seat. It's just, I mean, the price, but it's just awesome. Here is the travel bag. It's a good padding. It has this to go over your luggage, which works really well. I tried that out. It is a backpack. It has a hook you can carry. And it fits right in there. And it actually has a couple pockets. One here. Oh, one right here. So what happened to our car seat, you may ask? Well, we had this beautiful car seat for 6 months, and I checked it for free through American Airlines from Orlando to Philadelphia, and it got lost. Stolen, I think. They lost it. I'm bummed. It's been 3 weeks, hours on the phone. Finally, I got like up to corporate. She felt so bad. She's gonna expedite it right away because you need your car seat right away. It's been 2 weeks since I talked to Erica at American Airlines. She said she's just gonna reimburse me if I send the receipt. I sent the receipt. I haven't heard from her. And not only that, my bag, because we were at Disney and I really like Disney souvenirs, was stuffed to the brim with other stuff because I went to go weigh my luggage. You know, the same luggage that's going on the same plane as the stuff that I stuffed in here. It was over by a couple pounds, so I stuffed in some clothes, I think a pair of shoes, I think a camera. Like, I'm trying to do inventory to figure out what I stuffed in there. It was like 2 or 3 pounds of stuff that I also stuffed in this bag to fix the weight on mine. Yeah, I was kind of bummed. So the way it goes in, it flips backwards, and then this goes down. This part I find a little bit difficult. There's a red button. There you go. You push down. There's a hook right here, and you put the hook over the little red knob, and then that's how it fits into the backpack. And it's ridiculously light. And last thing, if you do have, I have a little wiggle monster at 3 years old, 3.5 now. She will kick because her feet are dangling, not her fault, so I always have to pull her feet over. I thought about strapping her into this on the plane, and that way it won't get lost. Thank you, American Airlines. So I will put in the description if American Airlines has finally reimbursed me. I mean, it's now adding up. So this and the bag is over $400, and then I had a bunch of, like I said, clothes and shoes and everything. Check out the links below, and you can, without paying more money, support my channel through an affiliate link for the WAYB. It's so light. I'm so happy with this. And it's great, you can use it as a second car seat as well as a travel car seat. And I have to say, when we were in Daytona Beach, we had the bulky sort of, I think it was a Minnie Mouse Walmart one for $50. And the Uber drivers there, every time we used it, were so patient and amazing. The 2 Ubers we used in Orlando were so patient and amazing. So highly recommend, if you are going to Disney soon, do an Uber and buy this. Especially if you need a second car seat. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed my quick review and unboxing of our new WAYB travel car seat. See you on the next one. Bye. What do you guys think? Does this look used? There's like 2 marks right there. And then there's some like hairs. I don't know. And then the instruction manual's in the back. Yeah, look at all the hair on there. I don't know. I mean, that kind of looks like it's gotten a little scraped up right there. Do you see it? I think this might be used. So I'm gonna send this back. I got it from Nordstrom's, called them, they were very nice. They're gonna come and pick it up tomorrow, and the new one should be here in a couple days. This is in the earth color, I forgot to say. And the onyx is the color of the travel car seat. And I just wanted to say, I didn't even notice this till after, but like this was already ripped open. See here, and I think just with car seats, you want to make sure that they're not used, because you never know how that can affect the safety of it. So I'm going to go on the safe side and just return this.